So I need to put in those trades. Okay, so uh, yeah, I'm live now. I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube, guys. All right, your boy is live on YouTube. I've shared the video, right? I've shared the video. Um, yeah, I've shared the video. I mean, I've shared the link in the Telegram, right? Yeah, shared the link in the Telegram. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another streaming session. Yeah, I'm talking very softly right now because I'm a bit sleepy. This session almost passed me, but we're about to get started. Let me just see what's going on. I'm live as well on YouTube, guys. Okay, I'm live on YouTube. So yeah, let's just get started. All right, so number one, let me just see. Hold on. I'm just checking if my guys actually saw my invitation on YouTube. Okay, on Telegram. So yeah, this one almost missed me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, Sfiso, how's it? Kindly share your link for us who are new. Go to my YouTube channel, okay? You'll see it there. Can't post the link here. Right. I only post the link on my Telegram channel, okay? Uh, Now to get access to the Telegram channel, you need to purchase the trading system, okay? If you purchase the trading system, then if you purchase the trading system, then you are gonna get access to the Telegram channel, right? Yeah, that's where I'll post the links because I won't always announce on TikTok, right? I'm just gonna work with the people who are on my group, if you get what I'm saying. Just giving it a few seconds. I'm gonna start like in a few seconds, guys, okay? I'm gonna start in a few seconds. It's just giving people a chance to connect. Mm, have to be patient. Okay, that NAS 100 trade, it hit TP1. Okay, remember we saw NAS 100 giving a sell on MT. I mean on the M15 chart, right? So it hit TP1. Okay, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. And then which other trade did we see? Which other trade did we see? Gold retraced. Okay, it retraced. Remember we did talk about that it's going to retrace. Okay, so if you're already in, then it's in a retracement, but it's still valid on the H4 for bullish trade. Okay, still valid for bullish trade. Let's see. Oh, we had 1.3K likes. That's good. I'm slowly waking up, guys. Slowly waking up. Slowly waking up. Okay, so right now, guys, we are in the Tokyo session. Okay, we're in the Tokyo session, and at the same time, it's the Australian session that's open right now. Okay, so AUD pairs are going to move right now at this time. You know, those are the ones that are tradable now. JPY pairs are going to move. So if you see an opportunity, right now, let's say, okay, why would you trade at this time? Okay, let me just start with that, answering that question. So, a trader would execute at this time mainly for few reasons, right? One of the reasons would be that you know maybe they don't have time to trade during the day, okay, during New York and yeah, during New York and London session, okay. So that's why an individual would trade right now, okay. So one of the reasons why I'm going live right now is I just want to show you guys that uh, you know you can trade at different times of the day, okay, but you have to keep in mind that there's the different sessions, okay. I'm just trying to highlight the point that there are different sessions, okay, and different sessions operate at different times, okay, and um, different sessions offer us opportunities to trade different things, right? Because some people don't know that there's the London session, there's the New York session, and there's the Tokyo session. Okay? So, knowing the sessions, right now, trading the NAS 100 is a no-no. Like opening up new trades right now on general basis is a no-no. Okay? Trading USD pairs is a no-no, right? Um, it is possible, right? But if we're speaking under general terms, now would be considered after hours trading if you're talking specifically about NAS 100. Okay, so it's very, very important. So, what do you trade in the Tokyo session? You trade the JPN 225 index. It's called the Nikkei 225. Okay, that's the index that now, if you were trading NAS 100 during the day, then at this time you're going to be trading JPN 225. Okay, that's the one, that's the heavy hitter of the Tokyo session, right? If there's no opportunities on JPN 225, there's also what do you call this one? CN 50, which is China 50. But the disadvantage with that one, some brokers will give you a very high spread, so it's not tradable for you, right? It's only a few brokers that will allow you to trade it. And then there's also, okay, there's China 50, which is the other one, guys. I'm even forgetting the other one. But there's three of them. It's JPN 225, China 50, and another one that I just, it's not coming, okay? But the most important one is JPN 225, right? That's the one that you want to be trading at 1 a.m., right? That's where you start actually if you're trading. If you want to trade, you start on what do you call, okay, JPN 225, and then you go for the AUD pairs, you go for the JPY pairs, okay? A perfect example of a good trade to take is AUD JPY, AUD CAD, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, all those currencies, okay? All those ones. Those are the ones you want to trade on. USD JPY is also tradable at the time, okay? It's also tradable at the time. Okay, so let's have a look, guys, at what's happening on the. Where should we start? Let's start on JPN 225, Japan 225, right? I'm gonna start on the daily chart. I'm looking at the daily chart. One thing that I'm noticing is that the price is in a long-term consolidation on the daily chart right now on a support of this range. Okay, Okay, and then if I cascade down to the lower time frames, I can see that okay, we've got a valid signal on JPN 225 on the H4 chart, right? But the market is ranging, so if we do get into this trade, we're going to go in with a small lot size. So that's what I'm definitely doing right now, going into that trade, putting the stop loss where the system tells us to put the stop loss, and then I'm going to target TP3, right? That's how I do it, right? But I'm going in with a smaller lot size because the market is ranging. Okay, so if you look at the daily chart, right, it shows you that the market is at a support. So chances of a reversal are pretty high. Okay, because of that range, right? And because we know that when we're trading, it gives us a insight to trade cautiously. Okay, so it's things that you need to worry about. So, anyways, I got into the trade on the H4 chart. The market is ranging, so I got in with a small lot size. Okay, right, and then the next one that we're gonna go to, we're gonna look at AUD JPY, Euro JPY, NZD JPY, and GBP JPY. Let's just have a look quickly. Let's start AUD JPY. We're getting in for that short trade. Getting there's a slight retracement, but it's also consolidating as well. Okay, if you look at the daily chart and you look at this month's price action and last month's price action, you can see clearly that the market isn't on a trend. I'm talking about the daily chart. Okay, it's on a consolidation, right? It's on a consolidation. Okay, so consolidations are not ideal places for us to trade in, if that makes sense, right? They're not ideal places for us to trade in, okay? But we do have a signal, okay? And if the conditions aren't ideal, okay, it doesn't mean that the trade will fail, okay? We still can take it, but what we need to keep in mind is that chances of the market continuing to consolidate are very high. Okay, and because we are at a support, there might be that little retracement of some sort, right? But we can actually jump into it. Let's just jump into it. So ADJPY, we're going short. Um, I'm using the parameters on the H1 chart, okay? Because they just valid. I'm not really gonna explain why, but you guys already know the rules. If you're already in the Telegram, you can just see for yourself. You can tell, okay? You can already tell. USD JPY on the H1 is also shorting. On the H4 is shorting. Market change direction. So like when you're opening up positions, guys, you need to like before you rush in to jump in, just have an idea of what's happening, okay? Have an idea of what's happening and try to understand, okay? Because it's gonna save you from making a lot of mistakes, right? Okay, let's go. Euro JPY was already a sell. We already said we were selling on the Euro JPY, selling on the H4 chart. Okay, so these markets are all going they're all being what do you call bearish, okay? They're all being bearish, right? They're all being bearish, okay? I like to take TP3, guys. I like to hold my trades. I like to give my trades time to breathe, okay? I'm using small lot sizes because obviously, like I said, some of these markets are consolidating, if that makes sense. So GBP JPY, same thing. GBP JPY. So basically, these are H4 setups. Okay, these are H4 setups. One thing we can also expect, guys, is to maybe hold these trades for a few days. Okay, because we are going into Friday, right? We are going into these trades. We are going to Friday when the market is going to slow down. Okay, right? We are going into, which I need to remember to post these trades on the Telegram channel. I want to do that. I'm targeting TP3. Okay, so all these markets that I've mentioned, JPN 225 is going down, and these are H4 setups. AUD JPY dropping, Euro JPY dropping, GBP JPY dropping. Let's also look at NZD JPY. Right, add JPY as well. Let's do that. All of them. So it's not necessary to trade all of them. Okay, you just pick the best one and just stick with that one. You know what I mean. So yeah, you pick the best one and just trade that, just like that. Okay. So it's up to you. It's a mistake to think that if there's what I'm doing right now, opening up trades on all these markets, it's not necessary, but for the sake of the stream, I'll do it, right? What was the other one that I was looking at? NZDJPY. Let's see. I'm not gonna open a trade on it, but it's also selling. Okay, so these JPY pairs are going down on the H4 chart. I didn't even look at the news for Friday. I don't even remember. Let me just quickly check on my. Let me check on investing.com. Investing.com. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think we got what we wanted. Let's also look at AUD CAD as well, right? AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD, AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CAD on the daily. Yeah, but sometimes the when you're trading, you need to have like an understanding of what what's happening in the market. Okay. Oh, there's actually um, news that's going to affect the Chinese. Is it what is this thing? The CNY. What is the CNY? Let me just Google this. I almost said Chinese yen. Okay, let's hold on. Oh, it is the Chinese yen. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was right. So there's news at 4 a.m. that's going to affect the Chinese yen. So you can advise regarding holding to TP3. Can you hold such a long time with a small balance? You can. Okay. Remember, guys, it's not really about holding to TP3. Okay. Okay. The reason sometimes I put TP3 is so that if there's a big movement by any chance that happens, right? I don't want my trade to be closed uh, at the nearest TP, if that makes sense. So I want the trade to run, right? But what you need to understand is that as you are trading, okay, because if you're trading on the H4 daily chart, it's gonna take a while for you to get to the to the TP level, okay? So what you should do is, if you see yourself in profit, you need to use a stop loss, right? You need to use something called a positive stop, okay? which means, let's say, for instance, if you are selling, for example, let's say if you're selling Euro JPY and then that market drops, okay? Um, what you will then do is you'll be following the market, you'll change your stop loss and just put it underneath the entry price, okay? And as the market drops some more, you shift the stop loss and make it go lower, okay? And you keep following the market. And then um, when the market turns around and hits the the stop loss, okay, it'll close the trade in profit, right? So that's what you want. That's the ideal situation that you want. You're not necessarily looking for a TP hit, but you want to get as much profits as you can from the move, and you're going to secure your profits with the stop loss. Okay, there's a CPI at 12. There's CPI at 12. So something. Okay, guys, let's talk about other things. Okay, let's talk about the German 30, right? Since there's going to be Euro news at 12 midday South African time during the London session. Okay, we saw that the German 30 is showing signs that it's going to go up. So there's an opportunity there to make a lot of money on the G30. So keep an eye on that one. Uh, if nothing big happens, like from now until maybe 10 or 11, G30 is going to be a very, very good opportunity, right? That you can easily capitalize on because there's that CPI on the euro that's going to have an impact on the euro currency, right? And markets in that region are going to be affected. Okay, so there's going to be high volatility setups for the G30. So it's a very, very good opportunity to trade. So it's just that we can't get into it now because it's a Tokyo session, but we need to have a look at it during the London session. Those are like quicker movements. Those are ones that can really really push you. Okay, because right now I'm looking at the German 30 or the German 40 some on some of your brokers, right? So we can already see that if it's still like this when the market opens at 10 a.m., we'll just open up buy trade target TP2 and just wait for the news to hit and wait. Okay. Somebody's asking, sorry to interrupt you. Do you have a group where you share signals? Um, I've got a Telegram channel, guys. Okay. So on the Telegram channel, I don't really um, provide signals. Okay. What I do is I provide the software that you guys see on YouTube. Okay, and that software is what we use to analyze the markets, right? So what I've been doing, or what I usually do, is that I tell the guys when I'm on a live stream so that they can see how to analyze and how to think about the market when they're supposed to be executing, right? And just follow and understand. So it's right there. Okay, so that's the purpose of the the Telegram channel. Okay, it's just for me to be able to communicate with my customers as well, and also give that extra value. Okay, and connection and all that. Right. Sometimes what I'll do, maybe when I'm streaming like this, what I'll do sometimes is open up the trades, take a screenshot, put it in there. Okay, so people can follow. Right. Somebody's asking how much is the software. It's 1,500 rand. Okay. All right, guys, I'm feeling very tired. I think I can go to sleep. We've done enough. We've done what we need to do. But I'm telling you guys, okay, look out for G40, right? Look out for G40 and look out for UK 100, okay? Yeah. But I'm disconnecting right now, guys. I'm super tired. Okay, so See you guys later. I'm gonna probably be live streaming at about 10:30. Okay. So yeah, take care, guys. I'll holler at you later. Okay. I'll see you guys at not 10:30 guys, but I'll see you guys at 4:30 probably. Okay. But I'll confirm in the in the Telegram channel. All right. Or just keep an eye out for me. I might just randomly I might just randomly trade. But before I go again, guys, right? Uh, during the London session, the very big opportunities that are happening on the German 40, right? If you've already got the trading system, there's some buying opportunities on German 40, buying opportunities on UK 100, buying opportunities on Euro 50. These are indices, very, very good trades, very, very good trades. These are actually these are better trades than the ones that we're actually looking at right now. Okay, the market's going to be volatile, very, very big opportunities. Keep an eye on that. All right, so let me just flash it real quick on my YouTube so you guys can see. France 40 as well. So basically, it's the London session indices. UK 100 looking very clean. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Like as soon as I wake up, I'm gonna open up trades on that, like at 10. Okay, I'm probably gonna buy G40. Okay, G40 or G30. All right. So yeah, take care, guys. I'll see you guys later. Okay. All right. Cheers. Any questions here on YouTube, guys? Any questions? You know, before I go, giving it a minute, giving it a minute, then I'm getting off. Right? Okay, no questions. Disconnecting right now. End the stream.